name is Pham. I am a Public Health Dietitian with the Northern Health Region, and today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy recipes using beans. Beans are a very nutritious food. They're high in fiber, low in fat, and a great source of protein, and offer many other health benefits. The recipes in this video are to give you some ideas of different ways to include beans in your diet. Here are two different recipes. For this recipe, you may rehydrate beans overnight or use canned beans. Be sure to rinse and drain the beans to remove any excess salt. Place the beans in a bowl and start mashing the beans. The end result should look like a paste. Next, add the salsa, chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. Mix well. Spoon the bean mixture in the center of the whole wheat tortilla. Sprinkle with cheese and roll tightly. Heat oil in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Place the burrito seam side down into the pan. Turn the burrito every 30 seconds or until it is golden brown. Serve the burrito with salsa for dipping. You can even add some extra veggies by sauteing some onions, pepper, and corn and adding them into the bean mixture before you fold it all up. Enjoy! The second recipe is chocolate chip bean cookies. These are tasty treats where adding the beans boosts the protein and fiber content and adds some additional vitamins and minerals. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the flour, oats, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Mix well and set aside. Drain and rinse the navy beans to remove the excess salt. Puree the beans in a food processor, or you can use a masher. Next, cream together the butter or margarine, applesauce, sugar, and pureed beans. Add the vanilla and eggs and mix well. Carefully add the dry ingredients to the bean mixture until well combined. Mix in the chocolate chips. You can also add raisins here too. Drop small portions on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Place in a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Enjoy your cookies with a glass of milk.